Today is another Monday morning, and I hate Mondays. The good thing is it's my rest day, so it's around 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm on my way to my dentist. And for anything else, I got my friends classmate since grade 1, St. Andrews School, Paranaque. His name is commonly known as Au Anzona. As at this point, we are now here at Martin Moran Street, BF Resort Village. Samahan niyo kami. Okay, gigisingin na si Paring Bok, so mag-park muna tayo sa kanyang slots here. Siguro sa mga meron 10 slots. Parking niya dito. Napupunahan ko na siya sa kanyang favorite parking spot. Yeah, bro. That's my way. Here we go. So, hintay na lang natin siyang magising. Good morning, guys. This is your Kuya Dom, and I travel around the South, checking out some good food, good fun, and good places to shop. Introducing my friend, the one and only, Counselor Bok Isong. So, samahan niyo kami. Stick around. Parang po, bago sa mga shoutout, how long have you known me?
Kasama ko to since 5 years old. 5 years old.
Time flies.
Ngayon, 23 na kami.
Yeah.
Kasama pa rin kami.
Diba? 1 month lang yung tanda niya sa akin. 2 months actually. March and May.
23 na kami.
Yeah. I think naman panahon
Siya 24. 24 siya ngayong araw na to.
Nakatawa. 2 months lang. Pero panahon talaga. At,
Then 19 na kami. Naintindihan mo na.
Actually ako bagong tuli pa lang ako.
Hindi po totoo yan. Hindi totoo yan. Humble lang yan. Hindi po totoo yan. Hindi siya bagong tuli.
Kailangan namin
Actually po, hindi pa siya tuli.
Ginagano lang ako. Pilit ko lang maging athletic.
Nagyayabang lang yan.
Trying to stay fit. Siyempre kailangan natin yan as a family man. So, hindi ako pwedeng mawala eh. Kailangan ko pa rin keeps going and going. Parang energizer. Di ba? Kaya tuwing magkikita kami, para kami na-energize. Ano pa? It's been a long while. It's been like forever, man.
Bira kasi dumalaw to eh.
Pero I always keep it a point. At least every quarter, kikita kami.
Yung birthday ko, siya lang inimbita ko, siya pa hindi pumunta.
Sorry naman. Pero alam mo,
Grabe talaga.
na there are some unavoidable circumstances. Coffee tayo, guys. Good morning. Congratulations, by the way, to my friend. So, keep it up. Public service quality with a heart. I love you, Paranaque. We love you, Paranaque.